The wind is howling. It's November. Storm surf's out there. So we're headed out to Kahana Bay. It's exploratory. We don't know if it's breaking or not. We don't know. There's too much mud in the water. But we're gonna go out and give it a try, aren't we? All right, here we go. Well, I normally don't go surfing when there's this much wind, but if Kahana is breaking, Kahana Bay, that's very rare. So, I'm going out to give it a try. We're gonna go here. There are waves today, as I expected. And so, oh, and there's a ton of people here. You know, we're gonna go in the muddy water. Oh my gosh, we've already got a whole load of people here. Well, it doesn't look that big. There are a lot of guys and there is mud in the water. So, what are we gonna do?
Coconut in a coconut tree, swinging all day long in the tropical breeze, hanging with my boy. Sometimes we're dancing. One day I was swinging in a coconut tree, along came a wind and I fell into the sea. It was the ocean. I was surfing and swimming. I knew I was drifting to the land of LA, where ripe young coconuts usually play. Then I landed on the beach at this big hotel, and there were women, girls in bikinis. Itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Well, I'm a little coconut. I couldn't do much, so I worked on my tan till it was time for lunch. Then along came a girl. She had the smell of pink hockey. She dusted me, I stuck me in her backpack. We took to her room in this little grass shack. Was this Hollywood? Was I in a movie? So I sat there impatient on the 25th floor. Tourists were cooking down on the sandy shore. But where were my men? Where was my limo? And then I realized this wasn't California. Coconut and falling far. I guess I wasn't gonna be the rock and roll star, 'cause now I'm coconut pudding. So when you're at the luau eating pokey and boy, will you remember this coconut boy? You know when I might see you, just me and my sugar, where sweet Hawaii. Me and my sugar, where sweet Hawaii. Sweet, sweet, sweet Hawaii. Sweet, sweet, sweet Hawaii. Sweet, sweet, sweet Hawaii.
Well, that was a fun session. Waves weren't really big, but I sure had a good time and lots of action out there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. Catch you in the next one. Aloha.